Clients often feel a little bit hesitant when we ask them to fill out a financial affidavit. But in a divorce or a paternity case, unless it's simplified dissolution of marriage, where there's child support at issue, where there are marital debts and marital liabilities, the family law court will require you in almost every case, unless waived, which is rare, to complete a family law financial affidavit. If your income exceeds $50,000 annually, it is incumbent upon you to complete the financial affidavit long form. If your income is below the $50,000 threshold, then you must complete the financial affidavit short form. This is subject to the other side making requests for interrogatories in which a long form may be required and additional information might have to be provided in your case for purposes of discovery. Keep in mind that you, the client, the litigant, are attesting to the truthfulness of this document. It must be signed and in most cases notarized, although during coronavirus and the public health crisis, some courts may not be quite as strict with that requirement for notarization of that document. Please consider that when you're completing this affidavit, you are certifying the information is true based on actual evidence. Sometimes you might estimate rent, sometimes you might estimate food expenses or gasoline expenses, because those things shift on a daily basis potentially, or monthly basis. However, when it comes to your actual income, perhaps the best way to calculate that is looking at your pay stub or pay stubs and averaging those depending on your number of pay periods per year. Are you paid weekly, bi-weekly, which is 26 pay periods per year, twice a month, which is 24 pay periods a year, once a month, which is 12 pay periods a year? This is important information to help you calculate your income, to look for your deductions for health insurance, mandatory retirement payments, and things of this nature. Family law affidavits for financial purposes will help calculate child support, will help the court determine issues relating to equitable distribution, and will advise both the petitioner and the respondent as to what reasonable settlement might look like in your case. And specifically, when you're going to mediation or when you're heading to trial, these documents are a centerpiece for any agreements that may be reached. Thank you.